What's going on, everybody? On to another adventure, installing some Blue Hawk coin flooring to my exercise room. And I didn't want to remove the padding that was used to put the carpet down. And as you can see right here, a little bit right here, I'm still, I haven't removed the tack strips, just because I might decide later on to put carpet back. So putting this on top of padding makes it a little spongy, which is kind of nice, but it also makes it more difficult to connect these two. So what I'm doing is just a quick tip, using some tape, gray tape, underneath each one to keep them together a little bit. And then when I'm connecting the two, I'm putting a hard surface like this ruler in between, so it's easier to knock these things in. So anyway, just a quick tip. Hope that helps.